So where the client has the bar on, that's fine. We just lay it around the shoulders, around there, that's cool. Okay, so first up, and I shall try and avoid your hair as best I can here. Ah, that's good, that's good. I'll just remind you of the upper back and then we'll go into lower back. So I'm just going to spread that across the whole. So things that are going well, I like to see the amount of care people are taking, it's good. I like the speed, it's slow, everybody's taking their time. Posture, keep working at it. I'm seeing some straight legs up here and bending from the spine. So more legs in here and more locked elbows and under the shoulder, and think shoulder and hand, they are above each other. When I do that, I can lean. See this movement where I lean my body weight rather than I'm pushing here. Watch triceps here, that's hard work. Pushing like, it doesn't look bad, does it, when you're doing this? But I can tell you, you'll begin to get sore here. So when you go up along here, you lean in over the top like that, and I use my legs to get over the top, and that's so easy. I can't tell you how easy that is, just to lean in like that. Get this little wisp of hair. Stay. So we go out, include the delts when you go out round the side here. There. So when there's a nice flow, watch the legs. Let the hands mould. And around here, I'm going to reach across, though normally I'd probably come to the other side for this one. So, there. Get some warmth, we can use this one. It shapes nicely round the corner there. I'm starting to get a bit of blood flow because I can see the colour. So we're in squat stance, knees bent. And you can do the other side like that. And then we want to apply some real pressure. We come in, we work through that. And now we're beginning to feel the little lumps and bumps. We do that both sides. And then we come up and do this side now. It's alright, it's not your fault you've got hair.
No, I don't.
So we can knead into this space. If it's a bit small, this area, as is often the case, you could do with one hand, single-handed kneading, but we're